If you open the Grid Money app expecting to unlock a $100 or $200 cash advance to cover an upcoming bill or emergency expense, only to discover your limit dropped to $25, $50, or even $0, you are certainly not alone. It is a deeply frustrating experience that leaves many users confused about how the platform actually works. The underlying fear in these moments is understandable. You worry that your bank account has been flagged, that you are locked into a low limit forever, or that you are paying a $10 monthly membership fee without receiving the financial flexibility you relied on. However, understanding the specific mechanics behind Grid's automated risk model reveals why your advance limit is low and, more importantly, how you can fix it. Unlike traditional lending platforms that pull your credit report or rely on fixed credit scores, Grid uses a dynamic, algorithmic evaluation system. This means your advance limit is not a permanent credit line. Instead, it is reevaluated continuously based on real-time data from your connected bank account. When Grid assigns a low advance limit, it is reacting to specific risk triggers detected in your banking activity rather than making a personal judgment on your creditworthiness. The single biggest driver of your Grid advance limit is the consistency, frequency, and source of your income. Grid systems strongly prefer steady, predictable direct deposits originating from an established payroll provider or employer. If your income varies significantly from paycheck to paycheck, if you work gig jobs with irregular deposit amounts, or if your pay schedule shifts, the algorithm views your future cash flow as less predictable. When the algorithm cannot confidently predict when your next deposit will hit or how large it will be, it automatically dials back your maximum advance limit to protect your account from potential overdrafts during repayment. Another major reason for a reduced limit is your average daily account balance and general spending behavior. Even if you earn a solid income, draining your account to near zero balances shortly after payday signals financial stress to Grid's risk monitoring tools. If your account frequently hovers close to a zero balance, experiences negative balances, or incurs bank overdraft fees, Grid automatically lowers your available advance tier to mitigate risk. Repayment history and bank processing delays are also common culprits that surprise users. While missing a payment clearly reduces your limit, even timely repayments can temporarily suppress your available cash. When you make a repayment, money leaves your bank account immediately, but automated clearinghouse settlements between banks can take 3 to 5 business days to fully finalize on Grid's end. During this settlement buffer, Grid's system keeps your advance limit artificially low or unavailable until the funds are entirely cleared and verified, preventing double exposure. Additionally, new account status plays a huge role. Grid operates a levels program where limits scale up gradually over time. Every initial advance limit starts well below the $200 ceiling, often between $25 and $75. The app requires a multi-week track record of consistent direct deposits and successful repayments before elevating your profile to higher tiers. Finally, Grid periodically updates its overall risk criteria across all users. Factors like updated tax refund projections via PayBoost or broader economic risk recalculations can alter limits overnight without individual account changes. To take control and rebuild your Grid Money advance limit, there are several concrete, actionable steps you should follow right away. First, stabilize your connected bank account by keeping a permanent financial cushion. Aim to leave a buffer of at least $50 to $100 in your account at all times, avoiding zero balance thresholds between paydays. Second, consolidate your direct deposits. Direct all primary payroll deposits into the single bank account linked to Grid, ensuring the algorithm sees your full, recurring earnings without gaps. Third, respect the repayment settlement window. After paying back in advance, allow 3 to 5 full business days for the transaction to clear completely before expecting your limit to refresh or increase. Lastly, maintain consistent on-time repayments and keep your membership in good standing. As the algorithm observes sustained account stability over consecutive pay periods, your Grid level will naturally progress, opening up higher cash advance limits when you need them most.